OMG, today is July the 3rd, 2021. I'm out here with my family. I finally made it to the shooting range. I have never been to a shooting range, but my dad taught us how to shoot before when I was a kid. He used to go fishing a lot up in Brentwood, so he did teach us how to do a little something back in the days. But right now, I have not never been to a shooting range. I am so excited. I can't wait to go in and and learn what to do. And hopefully, I'm a 32 and I clear. What's a 32? A 32 is when you're pretty straight with law enforcement. Let's be clear. Stay tuned.
Yeah, right here. Get a firm grip. Now put your other hand with it.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now, when you feel, there's no bullets in there right now. When you feel you're ready, put your finger on the trigger and go. But I tell people to look through this very okay. Ready?
So no, I want you to start over again from the whole thing. That I want to know what's that?
This right here is just open.
Okay.
So
but
like,
what kind of gun is this first of all?
it's an XD9, 9mm.
A 9mm. This is a 9mm. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Not ready. Now I'm about to clear.
So, but then you gotta learn how to move.
At all.
Okay.
Get your finger off the trigger. Here. Turn it to the side. But hold it. Just relax. Put the start sliding this in. Now smack it at the bottom. You can smack it harder. So normally, when you smack these at the bottom, because it's open, this lets you know that it's already a bullet in the chamber ready to go. See? Loaded one up.
Okay.
I'm gonna hand this to you. Don't put your finger on the trigger yet. Always on the side.
Other hand.
You want to stand firm. Do not shoot until you feel you're comfortable. Breathe in and out slowly, and you'll be fine. Done.
I did good, huh? For my first time at the shooting range. That lip. Yeah, right in that lip where it needs to go. Shut the fuck up sometimes. Ooh, look, I got the nigga right in the ball, right where it matters. Good place too. Got one. Ooh, look at that one right there. Ooh. Good shot for my brother. The weapon in my hand because it's been so long, and I was just like, let me tell you something. I would never kill anyone. Check that out. But I will back up. Let's speak clear. Okay. But I really wouldn't. I love people.
See what I meant?
Yes. And I see how hot they asses get. I see. Whoa, they say this shit. They said lead is, woo, Lord. It's still kind of hot, Ness? Oh. Oh. I finally made it, y'all. Finally made it to the shooting range. Good Lord. Look at my picture. I'm going to hang this up. What am I hanging? Why wouldn't I? Shit. I'd be a fool not to. So now I ain't got to tell none of them niggas how to went to the motherfucking shooting range. When they walk in the house, they don't already know. Shit. Sick of that ass, too. That's a whole nother commentary. Stay safe. This Muff Talks TV-War. Or here in Sacramento with the shooting range with the family. I go my little shopping money. Oh well. This was one of my priorities before 2021 went out. It would have been a problem if December 31st, 2021 would have came in at 11:59 and I hadn't made it to the gun range. It was going to be a problem. So my priority is being there. I guess it's all being in the right place at the right time. Me, I just came back from Reno with my boy and my folks. My niece was like, let's go. Everything shut off. Everything. Wine cooler down there. Everything else gotta wait till I come back. Yeah, that's what I want mine to do. I wanted to go all the way back there to see if I could shoot real far back. I finally made it to the shoot.